Hey guys, so this video I'd like to talk about a different thing not using teleprompter. So I make it like this, as you can see. So this is my script, and so I put it over here. I just make a hole on the top and I ripped a page off, so my camera lens is exactly over there. So I can, like, from this perspective I can also read the script and talk. So I don't need a teleprompter with me, and I'm also, like, my eyes are like focusing on the lens, so it's kind of like old school, but it's definitely gonna work. So yeah, let me know in the comment what you guys think, because this is kind of I can do right now. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day.